Good morning, students. How to find a square a cube in using calculator? Press mode 3 times. Now see the calculator. Take your calculator. Press mode 3 times. So mat. Enter 2. Okay. Mat. Okay. Equation mat vector. So enter 2. Shift 4. Now see shift 4. Shift 4. So shift 4. See shift 4 dimensional 1. So dimensional 1. Now after dimensional 1 press A1. So press A1. So enter 1. Now see mat A M cross M M. So now I am going to solve 2 cross 2 matrix. So this is the example 2 cross 2 matrix. Now I am going to take 2 equal 2. So 2 cross 2 matrix I am going to consider. Mat A11. So this is A11, A12, A21, A22. Now I am going to enter here A11, press 3. A12 minus 1. A21 minus 1. A22 press 3. So mat A will be stored in the calculator. Again, after storing that A11 matrix, then again shift 4. So again you can enter shift 4 because you are going to find A square. So dimensional. Again you go for dimensional 1. Dimensional 1. Now already mat A store one matrix. A matrix will be stored. Again you are going to find A square, right? So here now I am going to multiply B. So press 2. Now see mat B M cross M. Now enter 2 equal 2. So now mat B 1 1. So A will be take it as this one. B also I am going to take same 3 minus 1 minus 1 3. You want means you can take some other values. Okay. So again I am going to enter 3 minus 1 minus 1 3. So after entering matrix A and matrix B, multiply these two values. So again shift 4. Now you go for mat 3. Now shift again, enter that mat A, B, C. So now you can go for mat. So mat 3. Now A. Multiply. After mat A, multiply. Again shift 4. Mat 3. Now enter 2. Now see mat A into mat B. After that you can apply equal. So syntax error, some calculator they are using syntax errors. So again you can press that. Press again shift 4 mat 3 A into again shift 4 3 2. So now you can press equal. So after equal symbol you get the answer 10. Then press this arrow. Second element minus 6. A21 minus 6. A22 10. So this is a manual answer. Manual answer of 10 minus 6 minus 6 10. So this is A square answer. This is A square answer. So this is a way you have to find for A cube. That is instead of 2 cross 2 matrix you can apply for 3 cross 3 also. So this is a procedure for finding that A square. See how to apply. These are the concept. The red will be highlighted. The highlighted for how you going to enter the value. The second page is also there. So this is a reference. Thank you.